Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how simple it is to cook the garlic butter pasta. It is very popular nowadays and I know that everybody can cook it. Alright, let's start with our ingredients. We have pepper flakes, sliced garlic, and minced garlic. And then we will be using olive oil, salt and pepper, and of course our pasta, and I'm going to use fettuccine. And then we have butter and prosciutto here, and we will also use some parmesan and parsley. So the first thing that we're gonna do is to boil some water. This is where we will cook our fettuccine pasta, and you can also use any other pasta that you have in your kitchen or some pasta that you want. And also, I love to add some salt on my pasta while it's boiling because it adds flavor, and also it will help to glue the pasta and the sauce together later. Okay, so while we are waiting for the pasta, we can start our garlic butter sauce. But first, I'm gonna fry the garlic chips in olive oil. And then we're gonna sprinkle a little salt in here. And actually the purpose of this is not exactly for the sauce, but as a toppings. And also make sure that the fire is on low because it keeps the garlic from burning. And when the garlic turned into a bit yellowish color, that's the time that you need to take that out of the fire and set aside because it will continue to cook while even it's already on your bowl. Then on the same pan, I'm gonna add the butter and the minced garlic. And this will be our main sauce for the pasta. And look, I also have some prosciutto here, but you can use bacon or salmon or smoked fish or no meat at all actually, because the garlic butter sauce is quite flavorful. And after adding the meat, just add some Parmesan cheese and parsley in the butter and it's good to go. And then after we mix our pasta and the sauce, we will sprinkle some more Parmesan cheese on top of it if you prefer to have a little more cheesy flavor. And then of course our garlic chips. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will get notified when we posted a new video of our recipes and travel. Thank you.